Hi, my name is Justin Ringel. I'm a service advisor here at Fletcher Jones Motorcars. Today I want to talk to you about our AC system cleaning, also known as BioPledge. Because Fletcher Jones Motorcars cares about your driving experience, we offer the BioPledge system as a preventative maintenance to maintain both a clean cabin and a clean ventilation system. Important factors to remember are it eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, it reduces allergens that could be settling in the air vents, it disinfects as it cleans, improves the indoor air quality, and provides everyday protection from here on out. The first step in this procedure is to begin with new filters for the cabin, and in some vehicles a new dust filter, and applying this aerosol mixture to the filters, pre-treating them. The second step of this procedure is installing the pre-treated filters and then allowing this aerosol mixture to be injected into the cabin while the vehicle is running the recirculation mode of the climate system, therefore allowing this freshened air to pass through both the filters and the vents, disinfecting as it moves through the cabin. So if in fact you are experiencing a smell from the AC system, whether it's using your climate system for cold air or warm air, please feel free to call us at 949-718-3200. A service coordinator can certainly help you in booking an appointment and having this procedure taken care of. Once again, my name is Justin Ringel. Thanks for watching and looking forward to seeing you soon.